Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is Putrid Vomit Christ's album, Perpetual Intercourse. Day in the life around here. A couple of months ago, we wandered like some cosmic Billy Blythe into the realm of the Polish Gods of War label, and were so taken by their inventory of filthy sonic punishments from around the world, we lost track of time. Meanwhile, the owners had already finished the books, taken out all the trash, and swept the floors when they politely had to ask us if we could please come back the next day. One such band that we were quite enamored with was the Vietnamese duo known as Putrid Vomit Christ. They've been rather prolific since forming last year, cranking out both a live demo and this impressive studio demo, Perpetual Intercourse. A half hour of death metal so blackened, you'll be tempted to send it back to the chef.
The duo consists of one Deo Hong, formerly of the band El Crossed, as well as ex-Bloodshed guitarist Hai Long. It's obvious from the first listen, these two have developed considerable performance and songwriting chops, as these 5 songs offer epic runtimes, riffs for miles, and raspy demonic vocals, delivering the gospel of the putrid with power and finesse. These songs take their time in the most delicious way. Take, for example, Dissecting an Incestuous Dream, a song that takes off on a battering, doom-laced riff for over a minute before any vocals are offered. A couple of minutes in, Hai Long uncorks the first of a few gloriously Celtic Frost-adjacent riffs, and the track cycles through them smartly. Hong, scowling, gouge the carnal impression, indulge the seeds of profane delusion, as Long weaves in some surprisingly hooky guitar fills / solo pieces along the way that add a Lovecraftian sort of vastness to the band's sound. Quite impressive for their first studio demo.
Okay, let's hear a little bit of Dissecting an Incestuous Dream. Another key track here would be The Sun from Where They Excrete, a track that crawls out of the mud autopsy style for the first couple of minutes before hitting the gas pedal, blast pumping. Huang offers torturous screams as the track pushes and pulls between wounded crawl and pounding speed via drums that you would never believe are actually programmed. At least I assume they are programmed because there's no drummer listed except for their live drummer, Capre. Here's a little bit of The Sun from Where They Excrete. So as you could tell, for fans of doom-laden witchy metal like the aforementioned bands, get over to Gods of War and check out this impressive young duo stat. Plus, if you've got an afternoon to kill, head over to their website and be forewarned, 1 minute you're examining Grave Heresy vinyl, and the next it's closing time. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.